Hello, Lacey and Harley here with A&B Lawn Care. Today, we are not mowing yet, but we are doing something. Harley is going to be demonstrating how to build a gate for a deck, so.
And right there's your example.
Yes. But yeah, this will be a very, very simple gate that doesn't require too much materials, just 2x4s. What are those called again? Little spindle things?
I think they're called balusters, but square end, just 1x1s.
Couple of hinges, a lock, and 2 wheels for the bottom. So, not a whole lot of materials, but this will be a really, really good, nice gate. So, so yeah, guys. So let's build this together. Really, by we, I mean Harley. Okay, guys, Harley just finished framing the first one. It's gonna be a double gate. I don't remember if I already said that or not. So we're about to see. Let's see how easily these will go in there. Oh, perfect.
Pretty good.
Okay. Yeah. So the customer wants to put another gate. Like, he has several gates around this deck. This is a very, very elaborate, beautiful deck. It's a multi-level. But he has young grandchildren and stuff, and they like to play and stuff out here on this deck. And those steps over there, as you could probably tell from the video, are very steep. So yeah, so we want to make it safe for the little children while they play and stuff. And that down there, guys, if you've been following along, you may remember, is the lake. It's not coming up right now, but guys, it won't be long. There'll be water in there. guys, we're about to wrap up on this job here. Harley's just gonna put the last hinges on, and then the little latch, and we'll be good to go. So yeah, the second one went much quicker than the first one. But that's usually how it goes.
Expected.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, we are doing a lot of things. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, then you've seen our video before this, a week at the McDonald's. But that's some exciting stuff for this season. So you will be seeing hopefully a lot more of different McDonald's that we haven't been to before, and different landscapes and like landscape transformations and stuff. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm also excited about finishing the one that we were working on then. So we'll be going back up there. Hopefully within the next couple of days, it will be finished, and I'll have a video for you guys to see it. So, and if you haven't watched that video, guys, go back and watch that, because what are you doing? If you're on this video, you should have already watched that video. No, I'm just messing with you. This might be your first video. If it is, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Now, go back and watch all of our videos. Okay. But yeah, so I'm super excited. Next week we'll start back mowing too as well. So that's gonna be great. It's gonna be upper 60s, low 70s for the next week or so. So that's gonna be awesome. It's like, I don't want to say I don't like it, but I'm not the biggest fan of the cold weather. So I'll be so thankful when we can get in the consistent warm days. So this month is the beginning of spring. We want to try to do like 2024 lawn care setup. We'd like to do, there's some stuff that Harley needs to fix on his mower. I'd like to do a video about that. And just kind of like an update on, all of the equipment that we'll have for this season. So hopefully, look out for those videos, guys.
All right.
Okay.
I'm ready to put it up.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. The gate is up. Safety installed. Yes. Oh, look at the sky. It's so beautiful. But, yeah, so now we just got to clean our mess up. And then we can get out of here, guys. And we're going to go home. And we got to get our stuff together again, because we have to go finish that other landscaping job that we're on. Like I said in the video, we bought the boulder place out of rock, so we didn't get to finish. So they're getting restocked tomorrow, which is Monday. So they're gonna let us know as soon as they get restocked. We're gonna come back and get some more and finish it. So look forward to that video, guys. And go ahead and tell Harley in the comments what a great, wonderful job he did on that. That was super awesome.
You were great too.
And that is just a super simple, easy gate that literally anyone can build that.
Yeah, guys, I'm not special. Anybody can do that.
It's very, 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 very minimal carpentry skills to build that gate. But it is also a very, very good, efficient gate. So once it's painted, it will look really, really nice with the rest of the deck. So all right, guys, you know the drill. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please, guys, go ahead and do that too. And please share this video on all of your social media, because we got to get an algorithm. Yeah. But yeah, guys, thank you so very much. And please come back and do it with us next time. So until next time, guys, see ya.